Hello friends, first of all introduce myself. I am Manish Thokre. Today's our topic is access modifiers. So we can say access modifiers. There are two types of modifiers in Java. Access modifiers and non-access modifiers. The access modifiers in Java specifies the accessibility or scope of a field and methods, constructor or class. We can change the access level of field, constructor, methods and class by applying the access modifiers on it. There are four types of Java access modifiers. So we can see one by one. First one is a private, second one is a default, third one is a protected and last one is a public. So we can see first one is a private. The access level of private modifier is only within the class. It cannot be accessed from outside the class. Then we can see default. The access level of default modifier is only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. If you do not specify any access level, it will be the default. Then we can see protected. The access level of a protected modifier is within the package and outside the package through the child class. If you do not make the child class, it cannot be accessed from outside the package. Then we can see public. The access level of public modifier is everywhere. It can be accessed from within the class, outside the class, within the package and outside the package. There are many non-access modifiers such as static, abstract, synchronized, native, volatile, transient, etc. Here we are going to learn the access modifiers only. Then we can see details in modifiers. So we can see first one is private. The private access modifiers is accessible only within the class. Then simple example of private access modifier. In we have create two class A and simple. A class contains private data member and private methods. We are accessing these private members from outside the class. So there is a compile time error. If you make any class constructor private, you cannot create the instance of the class from outside the class. For example, we take a class A inside the class private and print the hello. Then create another class simple. Then main method created and uh, create the object and call the method. Then we can see second is the defaults. If you don't use any modifiers, it is treated as default by default. The default modifiers is accessible only within the package. It cannot be accessed from outside the package. It provides more accessible than private, but it is more restrictive than protected and public. Example of default access modifiers. In the example, we have created the two packages and my pack. We are accessing the A class from outside the package. Since A class is not public, so it cannot be accessed from outside the package. In the the scope of the class A, it methods message is default, so it cannot be accessed from outside the package. Then we can see third one is protected. The protected access modifiers is accessible within the package and outside the package, but through inheritance only. The protected access modifiers can be applied on the data member methods and constructor. It can't be applied on the class. It provides more accessibility than the default modifiers. Example of protected access modifiers. In the example, we have created the two packages, pack and my pack. The a class of the package is public, so can be accessed from outside the package, but message method of the package is declared as protected, so it can be accessed from outside the class only through inheritance. Then we can see last one is a public. The public access modifier is accessible everywhere. It has the widest scope among all other modifiers. So it's all about access modifiers. Thank you.